kandi kwa boutique neberiye
okunuko wabiro ministeri yoda tumwesi cha irukangiriro mushubuzi wa Kabohe owahirirwe eduka og amukwatireho n'obushaho bwa cement n'ibindi bikwatu
yondeka arasibukara wo bari ndaje cyagire kwa okogera ko business yawe ohereza abantu bitu
mazima
obwatu manyira izoda twinde
tuyakira umujanye witu owerizoba owija tuyagira ahashonga ebiraha kandi tumusima munonga okugumana natwijuka
kabanda Kampala uzakora mpura amakuru ga radio kugira ngo Kabohe ebizimbe byo kibumururo kizimbe cyeriyoda shire so mwena ikomushamwe ndazekiro kudaka atakagiye gukora ibindi byona nyina nkunyize nyurukangerere mugenzi wanjye kugira ngo nabatine capacity ariyoda ina capacity no kuzoma mbaka katunge sente kombeka ukamuntu wakwaho ekizubu keje nabata planning
nimba sima ntine bugarishiro akana na step je mwashikaho itwashikaho nimo muyunu mutahamana ganyu gona nyo tariki nyine cyona kuyihamana ganyu gayunga korebe
omuro gukose hiburi kimwe omudukeri lyagaruka lyakwata n'amaju gabegaroho arubaju omune agent wa Radio West Nassan muhereza
ngo mukwereza omukirukangera tikiro kikuru yawe rukangize ibintu kwingana ki uko mutuma kuwata aha kintu ekyo
twazumira mitoma abakazora foundation bakwatireho abeji ba Kitagata Secondary School na mnongabo abakozirije ombigezo by'umwaka gwahwire aba senior ya mukaga.
We have a dream to change the society, not only in Ruhinda, not only in Mitoma, not only in Bushenyi, but we have a dream to change the society in this world.
3 whose performance has been rewarded today. After here, let's not waste time. Let's remain disciplined.
Kazora arakugambira beji ayishomero eri ya Kitagata araganise kuguma narongora abo abarukoraji.
That the Kazora Foundation is here today, next year, and other more years to come. So any students who will get 20 points here at Kitagata Secondary School, even if you are all of you, we are ready to give you 500,000 immediately after the release of your exams.
Sima umukuru Kazora aho tweta akaturasindira aho gukora job za mbye
amakuraga gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.